Teeth in a day protocol refers to implants. Teeth in a day does not mean you leave with a denture in a day. It's very different. Teeth in a day means they're leaving with fixed, non-removable, implant-supported teeth that same day. Not the next day, not 2 days later, not a week later, but that same day. That's why we pride ourselves that our patients leave with teeth that same day.
Other dentists told me that, there's no way, forget it, it's not going to work. Little did they know that yes, it's been done, yes, it does work.
When patients come in for a consultation, when we say new teeth in one day, we have to say after your initial workup. That's a very important thing to say, because when patients come in for a consultation and on that day, virtually most patients come in, they want to move forward. They want to move forward with theirs. So they're leaving that day with a surgical date or any consecutive appointments they need. If they need a records appointment, they leave with those appointments.
I got to the point where I was like, you know what, I don't care, I have to do this. The best thing to do for self-improvement is to have a great smile, and I got these.
The reason why we're able to do these procedures, teeth in a day, is we have a in-house lab and we have a in-house lab technician, and we have a CAD/CAM specialist, and we have a full team that supports that. So we're able to design, we're able to print, we're able to even mill. Whatever we need to do, we can make those teeth in-house. And when they're done on the day of the surgery, that's where those teeth are fitted to the implants the same day.
What better investment is there but to invest in yourself? Come down and listen to him speak. You're not going to meet with somebody that's answering phones in the office. You're going to talk to the guy.
It's a great feeling of satisfaction, because to impact somebody's life, to make it better from where they started to where they are now, it's a great impact because they're healthier, they're happier, they smile a lot more, and their quality of life have improved tremendously. The dynamic flows everywhere. It's a dynamic for not just that patient, but the entire patients and their loved ones, and everybody's benefiting from it. So to find out if you are a candidate for teeth in a day or how that can happen for you, give us a call and we'd be happy to provide you a solution and give us the opportunity.